I have to say this was a really fun project to work on. Our client wanted to create a space to relax and a space to read and to be able to do yoga and just take a nap. But at the same time, we wanted to make it really fun. So we started with the set of taking advantage of the big windows, and we wanted to make that wall a focal point. So we found this beautiful color that is called Merlot from Sherwin Williams. So now the reading room became the Merlot room. So now it's more than just a reading room and relaxing room. It's actually a room where she entertains and enjoys some wine with her family. So we started with, we wanted to have a big comfy sectional. At the same time, she wanted to make sure that all the fabrics and materials that we use were very kids friendly and easy to clean and maintain. So we really wanted to make this room a very, maintenance free and easygoing. So this really large and oversized ottoman makes it, the cherry on top where they can let their feet on it and just relax. At the same time, we went with the wheels just to make it movable, because that's the same space that she uses when she's meditating and doing yoga. It turned out a very fun room, very versatile, where she can spend most of her day. The number of windows brings a lot of light into the space, so we definitely found a really hidden gem in her home that she loves and she's going to enjoy for many years to come.